Hey guys, welcome back and welcome to Fit After 50. My name is Paul and I'm going to be taking you through today's workout. This is year number 5 for me on YouTube, video number 1 of year number 5. So let's take it back to kind of where this channel is started with a little bit easier workouts. Today is going to be a 100 calorie burning workout for me counted on my watch. Remember, everybody's a little bit different. We're going for 100 calories, standing only workout. You guys ready to go? We're going to get started about 10 seconds with jumping jacks, but we're not going to jump. We're just going to move our hands up and down. Let's get started in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. We're going through 10 different exercises today. There are going to be no breaks. And if in those 10 exercises we do not burn, or I do not burn 100 calories yet, we're going back to the top and starting over one more time. No breaks, 1 minute intervals. I hope you're joining me today. Let's get this one done. It's a great way to start the morning. Like I said, we're shooting for 100 calories. Remember, everybody burns calories a little bit different. Everybody calculates a little bit differently. So you just have to go by either stick with me or go by whatever piece of device you may be wearing and then maybe telling and counting your heart rate. We have 20 seconds left of these jumping jacks. And then we're going to a high knees walk. And we're doing each interval, like I said, for 1 minute. All right, we got less than 10 seconds left. Keep going. We're going for 100 total calories. Today, 2, 1, and high knees. Bring those knees all the way up. Keep walking with me. Hopefully this video is no longer than 12 minutes. Hopefully no longer than 10 minutes. Stay right here, get those arms up and bring those knees up as high as you can, all the way to those arms. Try to leave those arms chest high. I have an old playlist on this channel of 20 weeks of easier workouts. If you guys want to check that out, I'll leave a link to that above my head right now actually. So if you want to go back and check out that playlist, the workouts get progressively harder during that playlist. All right, we have less than 10 seconds left. 5 seconds left, then we're going elbow to knee. So stay right here, elbows up, and just twist towards your knee. You don't have to make contact, it's okay. Just go up, and down. We're doing this for a minute. Just like every other interval, stay in control, step down, and then up. No rush, keep moving. The key here is that we're moving for the entire duration of the workout. There are no breaks. If you have to slow down a little bit, slow down a little bit. It's okay. Just stay with me through all the exercises. My heart rate is already up. I feel a little sweat breaking, I feel good. All right, we got about 10 seconds left. And from here, we're gonna move on to the forward lunge. Nice and simple, go down as well as you can. 2, 1, I'm gonna step back a little bit and we're going forward lunge and back up. Stay in control, lunge and up. Lunge and up. There you go. 45 seconds left. Guys, if I can do this in my basement, you can do it wherever you're at. Living room, bedroom, basement, outside, inside. This is all the room that you'll need for, I say, 95% of the workouts on this channel. All right, guys, let's get going. Keep it up. 20 seconds left. Just so you guys know, I am currently at 36 calories burned. Keep it up, 10 seconds left. From here, you're going to skips. So pretend you have a jump rope and do a little bit of skip. If you don't come off the ground, that's quite all right. Just shuffle your feet back and forth. 2, 1, and we're going to skip. So just do this. That's all there is to it. Just a little shuffle. My feet are basically on the ground. Just shuffle your feet. Move those arms a little bit. Don't want you just doing this. Pretend you're doing this jump rope. You can do bigger skips, smaller skips, whatever you want. Just keep moving. I am 41 calories in. Exercise number 5, so it looks like we might be starting round number 2, but not for too much longer. Keep skipping, guys. Stay with me. All right, 20 seconds left. Come on, let's keep going. If you can't skip, just walk back and forth. It's quite all right. Just keep moving. Just keep moving with me. Let's move for this 10, 12 minutes. From here, we're gonna go to skaters. So I'm basically gonna take a little hop from one side of this room to the other side of this room. 2, 1, ready? So skaters, just nice and easy, just do this. You don't have to bend all the way down. If you like to, you can go all the way down to the ground, or you can just stay right here with me and just skip back and forth. Just a little lunge to the side. A little bit of a knee bend, nice soft landing. Keep it up. 40 seconds, 51 calories in. This is exercise number 6. So like I said, a little less than 10 calories per minute is our pace. Just keep skipping, skate, skate. It snowed here a little bit in Chicago yesterday, so you know what? The skating season is not too far away. Skating and skiing, hopefully. 15 seconds left, guys. From here, we're going to squats. No jumping, just a simple squat. Go as deep as you can. My depth on a squat always depends on how my knees feel that way. Let's see what it's like today. They're okay. They'll get going a little bit. Nice and easy. 60 seconds of squatting is a lot, so pace yourself. Stay with me. This is exercise number 7. 62 calories in. Beautiful. Keep it up. "30 seconds left. We're going to continue working on the legs, and we're going to do a backwards lunge with a twist. So your arms are going to be over your head. As you step backwards, you're going to hold the lunge and then twist in both directions. Right now we have about 14 seconds left of squatting. Let's get this done. 5, 3, 2, 1. So hands up, backward lunge, twist, twist, just a little twist. I want you to hold that lunge, twist, and back up. You can step back a little diagonally to get a little better balance, and twist, 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 and up, twist, and twist. 40 seconds left. It's a leg burner. I cannot tell you how many calories I've burned yet because my hands are behind my head. But after this exercise, I was sure to do so. Less than 30 seconds left. Don't pull on your neck, just keep your arms up and just give me a little twist. Just a little twist, just like I do. A little trunk rotation, boom, back up and back up when we have 10 seconds left, and keep going. And up. 5 seconds, 3, 2, let's do one more. Boom. All right, now we're gonna step forward, arms up, and a punch. Punch, punch, step back. Forward, hold it, punch, and back. And back. Hold that lunge, and back. Keep it up, keep the upper body moving. Stay warm. No rush. 30 seconds left. Boom. Back. And back. And back. And back. I'm 85 calories in. We're gonna be pretty close to 100 calories in 10 minutes. Maybe we'll do a little cool down exercise and it'll bring us to 100 calories. And back. 5 seconds left. Now from here, we're going to an easy jumping jack with a couple easy skips in between. So I want you to go jumping jack and then 1, 2. Jumping jack, 1, 2. Jumping jack, 1, 2. Jumping, 1, 2. That's all. If you screw up the pattern, that's okay. I might too. We're all in this together today. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Stay with me. 1, 2. 1, 2. If you can't do a jumping jack, just do a walking one like we did before, and then give me a couple high knees. You know, the walking one like we did before, and then high knees. Or you can go back to 1, 2, 1, 2, perfect. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Come on, 15 seconds left. 1, 2. Less than 10. I'm gonna do a calorie check after this one, so if we're doing one more round, I got a feeling we will be. And 1 and 2. And you know what? I am exactly 101 calories. So that was it, guys. 10 minutes, 10 different exercises, 101 calories for me. Just so you guys know, I'm about 175 pounds. This is the calorie rate burn on my watch. So take it with a grain of salt. Anyway, thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50, guys. If you enjoyed this workout, like I said, check out that playlist that shows many more easy workouts. I'll have it posted past this video and then also over my head right now. Once again, thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. Thank you for being here with me for 4 years. I'll look to see you guys in the future. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys later.